Hi, it's a great day in Anza-Borrego, Desert State Park. This is March 31st. And today we have our little CHUPAROSA here, Justica Californica. And CHUPAROSA is Spanish for hummingbird. So people call this a hummingbird bush. He's an acanthus, the acanthus family. Look at that little hummingbird flowers. Wow. So these are perennial, summer deciduous, mounding, flowering, low-lying shrub. He's pretty rare, only native to Sonoran Desert of Arizona and California. But you also find him in New Mexico, Texas, and down in Mexico too. They like to grow in dry, hot regions, sandy washes, rocky terrain. We've got another one here, like canyons, alluvial fans. He's a moderate grower, gets like 1.5 to 4 feet tall, sometimes about 4 feet wide, sometimes even 6 feet tall and 6 feet wide. They usually grow in large shrubs around other trees for warmth and support. These guys out here, just kind of on their own. And the stems here, they're a little blue-green. Here we go, right here. They're a little bit blue-green, succulent-like. They're open and they're twiggy, and they're arching and they're branching. They're super brittle. I'll break an older one off here. See how brittle that guy is? Just breaks right off, almost like a brittle bush. And they get really woody like this when they get older. And the stems are covered with little hairs. These little hairs on these guys. Tiny, tiny little white hairs. Keep this guy cool and shaded so he doesn't overheat. Reduces evaporation and transpiration. And the leaves are really sparse. Let me find a leaf here. You have to get way in there. See the leaves. See, it's a little brittle. Oh, I broke them off. Anyway, here's a little leaf here. Ovate shaped, light green. He's all hidden in there, but they're real sparse. But they don't need leaves because they have chlorophyll in the branches. See that? Green. So they do photosynthesis. Here was a little tiny leaf right there without the leaves. Wow, and the flowers. Look at another guy over here. See a whole variety, but they're all this kind of rounded dome shape. Beautiful shrub here. Inside there, sometimes you see a couple little leaves. The flowers here, they flower from February through June. Sometimes longer if you get a lot of water. It's got these plentiful tubular flowers. And they occur in these short, naked stems at the top here. And see, they're three-lobed. Let's see, here we go. So we got 2 lobes on top. Here we go. Okay, and 3 little lobes on the bottom. And they're about 1.5 inches long. And usually this crimson, bright, deep red. Sometimes they're a little bit orange, even yellow. They're great for hummingbirds to get right in there to get all the sweet nectar out, get the pollen, spread it around to our other plants. These guys also they self-seed, so which means they drop their seeds before they die, then germinate on their own the following year. So they kind of return like perennials, but from the seeds and not from the roots. And the flowers, they're edible. This guy right here, almost like a honeysuckle, right? You could eat him a little bit. Oh, not too bad. Tastes a little bit like cucumber, but I think he's a little bit sweeter. This guy right here, he's got lots of flowers to share. Look at the little insides there, little reproductive parts inside this guy. Just waiting for our little hummingbird to get in there. Wow. Oh, actually, that's pretty good tasting plant. It's our CHUPAROSA Justica Californica out here in Anza-Borrego, Desert State Park. How about that? Well, hope you liked that video. Please click, like, share, subscribe, and enjoy my other plants out here in Anza-Borrego. Here we go, one last look here. Beautiful flowers, beautiful. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.